So let us see how you can add alter. Okay, alter add. So let me tell you the syntax here for altering the table. So alter table, then give a table name. Which table do you want to alter? And then you say add. So alter is your command, table is your keyword, table name. Then I want to add your column name. So here you are specifying your column name. After specifying the column name, then you put a data type there. So which data type you want, and so on. So this is your syntax to add a new column inside your table. Let me show you here. So we have got an employee detail table here. Let me run again. So copy this, select star from employee details. Let me execute this. Yeah, you can see only two tables, two columns. Now I want to alter this table, so I'm using an alter command. Alter your table. Which table you want to alter? I want to alter the employee details table. Then using a add, then you write a column name, which column you want to add. So I want to add a gender column, and the data type might be varchar 10. Let me complete this. And so now if I execute this, let me show you. So you can see you got it has successfully executed. Now let me run this ninth command again. So it is going to select all the values from the employees details. Now you get a new column called as a gender column. So this is how we have used a alter command to change or to add a new column inside a table.